Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix a very annoying problem where the How to Get Help in Windows page keeps popping up automatically in the Microsoft Edge browser. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, click on the search bar and then type help pane. You will see the run command or file related to it. Now on the right side, click on Open File Location. This will take you directly to the folder where the help pane file is stored. After that, a new window will open. Here, right-click on the file and then click on Properties. Now a new window will open. Click on the Security tab. This section controls who has permission to access or run this file. We are going to modify these permissions so the file cannot run automatically. After that, click on Advanced. Here you will see the owner of the file. Now we need to change the owner. So click on Change. A new window will open. If you don't know your username, you can click on the Windows icon and check it at the bottom left corner. Now type your username into the box where it says Enter the object name. After that, click on Check Names to verify it. Once it is verified, click on OK. Now click on Apply and then click on OK. This will transfer ownership of the file to your user account. After that, click on Edit. Now in the Group or Username section, select each entry one by one. Then click on Remove. We are removing permissions so that the system cannot automatically execute this file again. After removing all the entries, click on Apply and then click on OK. Once all permissions are removed, the help pane file will no longer run in the background. Now close all the windows. After this, restart your system to apply the changes properly. Once your PC starts again, the How to Get Help in Windows pop-up should stop appearing completely. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.